Welcome back to the No Regrets 55 channel, and we are headed out on a field trip today. We're going over to my man Chris Hunter's shop, the Art of Arc Fabrication shop in Placerville, California. Chris is the one that does all the fabrication work on the Pro Mod car I drive, so he has definitely got the skills to pay the bills. This is definitely an after-hours sort of situation. My man Chris doesn't mind if I come over to the shop, 5, 6 o'clock, and bring my junk over after hours so he can kind of quickly take care of me. And we're looking at a 58 Corvette. He's doing sort of a resto mod job for this customer, and this car is really turning out amazing. I've been watching for the past 4 or 5 months as he's really done a lot of really cool stuff to this car. I just kind of barged in the door and saw this 58 up on the rack, and I had to go over and check it out. All the shiny things really distract me from what's important. You guys know what I mean. All right, it's really difficult to do fabrication work with one hand, so this is me showing you what we did to try and put a drain plug in that radiator. Chris has high production capabilities here. These are stainless steel bars. I think he said for maybe a CrossFit customer where they're installing all these in a gym, and I'm just here annoying him. You can see him working the throttle pedal on the welder over here, big monster welder. And again, he's completely ignoring the camera because, well, nobody likes the camera shoved in their face, but at least he's getting a chance to set that stuff aside and work on my garbage for a minute. So I'm gonna kind of shut up now and let him do his craft. TIG welding is definitely something I'd love to learn how to do, except I don't have the time to figure it out on my own, and I think Chris would really get frustrated and throw things at me if I asked him to teach me. All right, this is about it. He knocked it out in maybe 2 or 3 minutes after I had, done all the work for him. But there it is, finished up, done, finished product. I put the transmission cooler line fittings in. We're set. We will see you guys on the next video.